Beer Bros.
Oh hell no, man! What you mean?
Probably like a cork.
Oh, it is something in that thing.
Shake it. You hear it? I mean, it's gonna fizz up, but
Yeah, you about to have me over here.
What the hell?
Man, it's Murphy's Ported Stout Drought Style. Is it 4.0%? Look, see? That's how you're supposed to pour it.
Yeah.
you shouldn't have to have an engineering degree to drink it.
Oh, boy, look right there.
That shit, that's on me. 45 degrees.
To make sure that, because it brings out the flavor. Man, this is like some milkshake. What the hell?
Hell no.
Damn.
That's a milkshake, yo.
I ain't take that.
It looks like the nitrogen coffees that's out nowadays.
He said,
Like the bubbles is going down and coming back up.
he said I ain't drinking that shit.
You see them? The bubbles is falling down. How do bubbles go down, bro? That's not earthly.
Cuz, hey man, what
You
the
see
heck?
it? Look at it.
Yeah.
Watch it. Yo, that's some shit from Mars. That's from Mars.
What was in there moving around and shaking it?
I'm trying to get to the bottom of
probably-
it. What the hell? This, you got this milkshake.
Close the court.
Can't even see it.
They trying to drink our lunch from England. Damn.
Oh, boy.
It's like a ball.
Kind of ball.
It's like a little plastic ball.
They put that in the can.
Maybe there's flavor in there. Or
Oh, that's the milkshake stuff probably in there.
to keep it stirred or something?
No, bro, there's some shit in there. That's crazy.
Yeah, sure.
No, we just fucking around. This shit kind of cool.
All right,
know, yeah.
4% alcohol. I swear.
I don't want to drive.
Hey, go get some of this milkshake.
This shit smell like. This shit smell like.
Nigga, this thing is like tar.
This is the same as, hey, all
Everything smells like peanuts.
This shit like nasty, guys.
You gotta give me one sip at least.
I got you.
Go get it.
Bro. Cancel that shit.
What?
Just like Christmas. That shit nasty.
Yo, this tastes like a medicine I had before.
Exactly. This shit tastes like.
Oh my gosh.
That's my put their feet in the
This shit nasty as hell. There's no way. Well, let me see it. What about what?
That tastes like medicine.
Ugh.
Ain't nobody buying that shit.
Don't cut yourself.
They must get this beer away.
Hey, for real though. Look, hold on.
Ain't nobody buying that.
It don't have no fizz.
We're
Look,
trying to trade
a
this.
chocolate malt, roasted barley and
Not enough
stuff.
chocolate.
That's some nasty ass beer, bro.
It is coffee
Never mix chocolate
and
with
coffee
beer.
undertones and a biscuity sweet pure malt. I don't.
There's an aroma.
Biscuity
That's
sweet.
cold.
Okay, I tell you what. It looked nice.
It looks amazing.
When it poured and the bubbles, you're like, oh, that's fancy.
That's
As soon as you smell it and drink it, nah, you done. All I gotta say is, man, it had to happen. Blind taste test.
Damn.
Eventually, something like this had to come by.
Yeah, that one right there.
We are not pros, just bros. Beer Bros.